is our new YouTube video.
So what we're going to be doing today?
So we are going to be making a tube.
So yes, as Ky'lens says, we're going to be making a tube. There's a lot of isolation due to various illnesses and diseases going on around the world. A lot of us are isolated. So if you are bored at home, you know, young ones, if you're bored, want to make a tube for your cars to roll down, have a little bit of fun, very, very simple. So if you join us after our little intro video, intro. Okay, right, so we're back. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to make a ramp, tube, whatever you want to call it, for your cars to go down. It's very, very, very simple. You don't actually need an adult to do this, although adults, please get involved. Very, very simple. Right, so all you need is newspaper, which is going to make your tube. Sellotape. Okay, if you haven't got sellotape, hair bubbles, this is elastic band, rope. Can you think of anything else to tie it in a circle? Anything? No? Rope? Anything really? String? Yeah, string. So, and then we've got a couple of cans, but you'll see why we need them in a minute. You don't have to use cans, it's just somebody throwing away the shoebox that we were supposed to be using. So we haven't got no shoebox to use. So we're actually going to use tin cans, and you'll see where they come in a minute. Right, so very simple. You get your newspaper. Yeah. Right. Now all we're going to do is create a tube with the newspaper. Make sure it's nice and big to fit your cars through. Okay. However, if you do it like this, as in like that, when it sits on your shoebox, whatever you want it to sit on, it's gonna go down very fast and it's gonna hit the floor, and the cars are gonna lose a lot of speed when you hit the floor. So go on.
So if you're wondering how are we going to make the top bit where this is going to stick on, what we're going to do is we're going to use these and then put that on.
So yeah, that's where the tin's coming into it.
Yeah. Right,
so what we're going to basically do is, with this we're going to do it lengthways. Okay, so we're going to open it out. So we've got the Classic Car Weekly. We're going to open it out because it's paper. Well, when we roll it up, it's going to be nice and it's going to be thick enough to be able to handle the weight. It's going to be able to handle the weight of the car anyway. And when we create the tube shape, it will give it structure and strength. Okay, right, so do you want to get the tape ready?
Or yeah, I'll get the tape ready. I
can give you this in a minute if you want.
What?
So, to be fair, what we could do is get your tin and roll the newspaper around the tin to get a nice shape, nice perfect shape.
Yeah, I'll make it stay
perfect.
Sticky. Make it stay sticky.
You're taking the stick off it. Right, so then all we're going to do is sellotape it. Sellotape round. Now you don't actually need scissors. Okay? This is why I said you don't actually need a paring. It's very simple. Okay? However, if you want an adult, by all means, and you want scissors, that can happen. Right, so I've got the tin now at the bottom. It's just, I've turned it upside down, it's dropped down. I've got it nice at the bottom, so now I'm going to take the bottom of it as well. So do you want to hold that there nicely?
Yeah.
It's alright. Right, this one's a bit loose. Right, now we're going to put the tin down to the opposite side. came out. Let's go again. Cool. Now, tape round here, down the bottom of it, and then you can tape it nice because it's got the width of the tin. Finished with that one. Don't need that no more. Right, now. The more tape you put on it, the more stronger it's going to be. Well, there's pretty much your tube. Okay, now we're going to get these tins, okay, and we're going to rest the tube on top. Now, it's starting to collapse a little bit, isn't it?
Yes. So.
Right, so, take two. So, when we use the tin as a kind of a measuring point, it was a little bit too slack and the strength wasn't there in the tube. So what we're going to do is basically just put them a little bit tighter.
So when we said about the scissors, it was actually wrong.
No, because they won't need the scissors. We just need the scissors to start again. If we tell them how to do it right, they won't need the scissors in the first place. Right, so the thicker your newspaper,
the better it is.
Yeah, the more strength. So, also the tighter it is, the better. But if it's too tight, remember your car won't fit down there. Depending on how big your cars are going to be.
Also, if you're looking, thinking it, and it only could be that magazine the cars go down through, you can pick any magazine for it.
Yeah, do you want to get the set? Chuck the sellotape away, don't we? Click your fingers, we'll do some magic. Click. Ah, what? Sellotape just appears from nowhere. Right, if you hold that nice and steady, that's it. We're going to put tape around this again, but this time the tube's a little bit tighter. Now what I'm going to do is,
then after this we might play with some cars down the tube.
yeah, we'll show it them in action.
Yeah, we'll show it them. I will get some of my cars then, I'll put them down the ramp to see how it goes, and if it don't go, then we'll do another video and tell you how it went.
Now if you've got loads of scrap paper hanging around, you can do the same thing, newspaper, magazines.
You can make it into a shape of a magazine and stuff.
Yeah.
You can do anything as long as your cards fit down.
However, the thicker it is, the more strength it has. Okay, so we're about done. I'm just going to put one in the middle just to give it that extra little bit of...
Just in case. Looks like we didn't need this after all.
No, that's just... We could use that, but we're going to use that instead. Okay, right, so now we have a tube. Okay, will that stand up? Will it stand up? Will it stand up? Ah, it fell down. Right, so... Now we've got the two tins. The best thing to do
is probably to get some glue.
We're going to have an issue there. Make sure you can see straight down.
And make sure, if you don't think it's good, then if you have any car and it's like a Hot Wheels car, any Hot Wheels car, or even a Matchbox or anything, just put it down here to see if it fits, and if it don't fit, and then you'll probably have to make another one.
Right. If you've got a shoebox,
you can do it with a shoebox, or we can just do it in tins.
Yeah. So if you haven't got a shoebox, we're going to use tins. Any tins will do. It's literally for the size only. You don't have to use tins. You can use absolutely anything to lift it off the floor. That's all you're doing. You're creating a slope. You're creating something that glides downwards, basically.
Yeah, and also,
right, so what we're going to do, we're going to use tape again. Again, you can use hair bubbles, you can use elastic bands, string, rope, anything. What we're going to do is to stop movement, because if you are doing races, because what we did last time, me and Ky'lens, is we sent them down to see how far they would go. However,
and some of them made funny noise because they're matchboxes. The matchbox makes funny noise because
no,
those tires.
No, it don't.
What sometimes?
One of them made a funny noise, and it was the RS4, I think.
I don't have an RS4.
Yeah, you do. You have an Audi RS4, the red one.
Yeah, but that's not a Matchbox.
Yeah, so that was
I
the
have
only
a
one that made
Chevrolet
funny.
Max. Wait, no.
He's got loads of Matchboxes. He's got loads of Hot Wheels, to be fair.
Also, I've got probably my most card for a car is probably Hot Wheels. What's in the Hot
Definitely
Wheels?
Hot Wheels. Right, so to make, if you are doing a little competition, stuff like that, to
see who's the forest.
To see which goes furthest, yeah. If you are doing a little competition, the best thing for you to do is make sure that there's no movement. So you're going to have to tape it down. So to stop the two, we've got 2 cans. You can use 1 can, but we've just got 2. It just makes life easier. To stop the cans from moving, we're going to tape them together.
And we'll see how that goes. So we've done about now.
So there's our 2 cans taped together.
Now we're going to have to use tape again to tape it down.
Yes. So, yep. Well, just get it over because you need to. No. Make sure you've got enough room. So make sure when you're putting the tape on it that you do not squash your tube too much because your cutters won't get through. So make sure that your entry point is still very circular.
Here.
No, we'll just snap it. Okay. No, look, that's leaning down too much. So if you stick the tape to the top of the tin.
Also, if you don't know what you're doing and you don't know how to make a tube and you're watching other people, then maybe you can
I don't
watch
think
us.
nobody else is doing these.
Well, if they're bored, there's a virus that's going around.
Yeah.
They'll probably help. And if you
Right.
want to make a copy,
So, to be
I'll
honest,
do this.
you can do as many of these as you want. You could actually have 3 of them side by side and race all 3 cars at a
To
time.
see, yeah.
I mean, you know, you can create anything you want. You can have
Anything you
however many tubes you want and have some fun. Right, Ky'len, what I want you to do is go and get me 5 Porsches or Lamborghinis.
Okay.
Whichever ones you... Go and get me 5 cars. Yeah?
Any 5 cars.
Any 5 cars. And he's back in the room. So,
We will do 6
how many is
instead.
that?
6.
There we go, bringing all of the toys in here again. So, what have we got?
This
What's this
is
one?
a Chevrolet.
Right, so we have some teething problems. Okay.
Let's
So,
try that again.
yeah.
I'm not sure.
So make sure
Maybe it
there's
was
no...
too high or something because of the roof.
Make sure it stays circular all the way through.
Let's try again.
Maybe that's what the problem is. Go on, send it.
That
Come out on its side.
Try that again. There must be a wrong problem here.
You're coming out on its side. Let's try another one. Let's just try another one. Try
Now
another car.
let's try
Because that's coming
the
out on its side, isn't it?
Mercedes-Benz G63
It's a
AMG
6x6
6-wheeler.
6-wheeler G63.
Matchbox 2.
Yay, there we go.
And got into the
Hey.
kitchen almost.
Right, next one. What we
So
got?
we've got a Nissan Titan.
Cool. Okay, I'm going for the Golf Mark 2.
And
Mark
Warrock
2
2.
VW. The what? Is it a Warrior?
2016-19.
2000.
It's actually a concept one too.
Titan Warrior 2016.
Yeah, but
So
when
that's a
I
Nissan
got it
Titan
out
Warrior.
the pocket, it said concept.
To
but
be
it
fair,
prob-
it's got bonnet grills and all sorts of that,
So
isn't it?
it's probably a concept.
Yeah, it's nice that is. I'd have one of those properly.
So let's try.
Oh,
That
was
was
its
like
side
the
again.
Chevrolet
So we've got some teething
Corona.
problems. We can have fun with it, you know, it's not a problem.
I
So,
know, we're just playing.
I'm going to send down one of my personal favourites, the VW Golf Mark II. Ooh, in a metallic blue. Look at the metallic blue colour.
It's kind of glittery too.
Yeah.
With a black bonnet.
Right, send it down. Yay!
And beat the G-Wagon in.
It beat the G-Wagon.
And this used to be a very rare series called the Volkswagen Type 1.
It was made for the army. That
And
was.
basically what they did, they protect it even when they were shooting at it. It
Yeah.
still didn't even blow up or anything, it just got shot. And
It's
it
the
was
Type
still-
181. It's a very rugged off-road vehicle.
And also it's a convertible.
You broke the window already. Yep, there we go.
Oh,
Sorted.
I
Right,
didn't
do you want to send that down?
Well,
So
that
it crashed into the camera tripod stand, but it went all the way down. So it seems that these big truck, we've got two big trucks. Seems that they're not going down without turning and folding into the tube.
After it's done the Subaru, we'll try them again, and if they have two problems, then we'll just leave them. And see what's on the tube. Subaru brakes on.
I think that went further.
I think Golf probably won that one.
It was between the Golf and the Subaru.
Yeah. So let's try the tank.
Yeah, let me have a look. Go on, send it down. Wow, it gets to there and just, you can see it twisting in the tube. Go on, send it down again. So that one made it, yeah?
Yes. So let's try the Chevrolet Corrado again.
Yep, send that one down and we'll show you what happens in the tube. This is what's happening to us. So we don't know why it's happening to us, but we're going to find out. So, oh, that one made it as well. Cool. So they both made it. So I think because it's not, because the folding, the original folds of the newspaper, it's actually there's a bit of a kink in it. So if I can just show you that.
The two winners are going to go down again.
So let's see. Send that one down and see what happens now. That one made it. That one made it. Hey, that one went far.
So I think there's an issue when these cars are hitting. So I'll just get the Chevrolet Corrado and we'll check what's going to happen.
Right, okay, so that's catching.
That actually got stuck this time.
Yeah, so we do have some teething problems with our tube, okay? So
But your tube might be better though.
Yeah, so what we are going to do to fix that, we're going to get a second newspaper and open up this tube a little bit, but give the strength to it by adding a second newspaper to it. So I'm just going to pick one up from the shop whenever I next go out to pick up my groceries. Like I said, if you're bored at home, you're struggling to find something to do, this is perfect. Very easy, very simple to make. It's fun. You know, if you can send all your vehicles down and see which one hits the end first, there's loads of things you can do with this and it can be great.
Also you can tell us which one won out of all your cars.
Yeah, well, they can make a video and you know, they can obviously
and you can leave the comments about which one you think was the best.
So which one was your favourite? Okay, that's what I want to know. I want to know which car that you've seen today. So you've seen a close-up view of all of them. Let us know which one's your favourite, and we will make sure we'll include that one in some of our future videos. Okay. Which one was your worst as well? Which one don't you want to see again? Which one was like, I don't want to see that. That's horrible. That is. We don't want to see that again.
And also, you can hit that notification and subscribe.
Yeah, the like, the subscribe, the share, do all that for us. Much appreciated. So we're going to leave you now because we're going to have some fun with this. Okay. Make your own. It is very simple, very easy. Okay. Have fun. Be safe, people, and we'll see you again soon.
Thank you for watching.